So I am going to speak about to live in that country. We know well India is the that country that is on the verge of a develop. So there is the need as a human. So there is the educate and the literacy rate of a country. And we know well in that time the India adopted a many of the technology as a AI and the many of the more technology is a chat GPT and the technology is going in India. So now the every person to live as a human. So he should be as an educated person. And so we know well I am going to talking about the education, new education policy. So there is the many of the pros and cons are there. So here, firstly, I want to tell you something. The pros are there. There is a specific language that is a good thing for the schools are there. There is the students are getting the problem to study. There is the no particular language are there. In that time, the every schools are provide only the English and also the Hindi. But now the Sanskrit and the many of the languages are the students are getting to study. But the problem is there that facility will be only for the CBSE schools and the ICSE school, because we are live in the state boards are there, a lot of the state boards are there. Their students are not able to get that such quality, such policy, because the ground level schools are there. They have not such kind of the investment and also not provide. They are not able to provide such a teacher for the teaching in the whole languages are there. So the problem is came to the students. They are from the ground level and they are not getting. There is a discrimination among the students. So that is also becoming a poor. So the another things is that the positive thing, the 6% of the GDP the government will be pay for the new education. Will be investing in a new education policy. But the problem is that firstly is that the inspections and the patrollings are matter there. The government is not so only the work of to provide to invest a lot in the education. They have a responsibility to inspections properly. We know that the ground level schools are there. In the Bihar and the MP, the many of the states are there. The primary schools students they do not know the name of a prime minister and also the home minister. So there is the problem of a teacher. So we need a qualified teacher. So how can we that is not so easy task to the inspection of every schools and judge the quality and the qualification of a teacher. So the government took the initiative to doing every year change the course. We know well the time the persons are making the business as a education. So there is a lot of the difficulties to face the person to become a teacher, because now every person those person they have a better qualification, and after when the course will be changed, so they will be doing a hard work. If they doing a hard work, so they have a many of the tricks and also new tricks, and so they will be provided for the children, and the children are in the age of 7 to 10. They will be doing a study such as a competition exam. So now the India is on the grow for the education, and also we will find the many of the positive side as a technical era. So there is a lot of the chance so India is becoming a developed country. But another thing is that the teachers and how can be the inspection of a teacher, and so also as I told you the making of a business of education. So there is the schools are there. They are just contact with the shopkeepers and the providing open courses are there for the first to 7th class. So there should be the government also took the invest there and provide there the government books for those children. And we know that the cost of first to 7th class children there is a 3,000, 4,000. The people, every persons are not able to afford it, and there is a lot of the mistakes in that course that is written by the schools owners. And also as the many of the changes should be do in the policy, that is the practical knowledge should be increased. We know that the many of the schools are there, they do not bring their students for the practical lab, and every students are just doing a cram study. So if the student will be doing a practical knowledge, and so there is no need to cram the practical file, and they are able to explain all things, and because he did the practical life. So all things are matter there. If the government should be change all things. Now the education policy will be called as a new education policy. That's it. Thank you.